How to add your Pinterest account on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to add your Pinterest account on Facebook mobile. First thing, go to Facebook and now click these three lines here in top corner and then click see your profile, and now just click edit profile and then go down until you find links, click add, and here click add social link and platform, and then just select Pinterest and add your Pinterest username and click save. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.